Dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are staying home and staying safe. So in the previous two videos, we were seeing how to expand numbers and how to write short form of numbers. Okay. So in this video, we will see this color the number page, page number 19. Okay, which we skipped in between. Okay, in this page, they have given you some of the clues. Okay, and you have to complete the chart given. Okay, so they have given the clues in green color box, red color box and yellow color box. They have given you the number names and expand forms also of the numbers also. Using these clues, you have to find the numbers in the chart and then you have to color it. Okay, first one is green color. They have given you some of the numbers in number name, that is in words or expand form of the numbers. Okay, so now first I will do the green color box first. You will do the red and yellow color box in your notebook. Okay, so see the green color box and see the first clue. That is 140. The number is 140. Find 140 in the given chart above. Where is 140? See the first row, it is not there. The second row also it is not there. See the third row over here, you have 140 here. You have to color it with green color. Okay, so after coloring, see the second number, 202. Where is this 202? See the fourth row? No. In the fifth row also we don't have that number. In the sixth row we have this number 202. So color it with green color. Now see this third clue, 261. Okay, so where is this 261? Find out in the first row. No, it is not there. The second row, yes, it is there in the as the fourth number. Color it with green. Okay, then 800. It is there in the above chart or not? You check it. First row, it is not there. Second row also no. Third row also no. Fourth row also no. The fifth row also no. Sixth row, yes, we have 800 here. Just color it with green color. Then you see the next number, next clue. What is that? 300 plus 70 plus 4. So what is the number? 300 plus 70 plus 4 becomes what? You can write it here. What is that? 374. Okay. What is the other number? 600 plus 50 plus 6. What is this? You write it and keep it. Then you can find this number. 600 plus 50 plus 6. 656. Next number you see. 5 plus 50 plus 100. Okay. They have just changed the order. But the answer will be same. So 100 plus 50 plus 5 is 155. You can write all these numbers and keep, and then finally you can find out. Even for this also, if you wanted, you can write like this, 140. This also 202. This one 261. Next one is 800. Okay, now you have to find out 374 in the above chart. Where is 374? You find out. See the first row. Is it there? No. Second row? Yes, it is there. Just color it with green color. Now, take the next one. 656. Find out first row. Not there. Second row? No. Third row? Yes, we have 656 as the first number in the third row. Next one is what? 155. So where it is? Just find out. See here. Yes, it is in the fourth row. Okay, children. We have finished the green box now. The same way you can finish the red and yellow box also in your notebook. Green also you will do in the notebook. Okay, you just have to draw this grid in the notebook using the clue given here in the PDF file which I have forwarded already. So you will see and just draw the grid and color it. Okay. Now you can write the answers and keep it before doing it. What? 1 plus 80 plus 90. So what is that? So how will you add it? Just add the numbers. 1 plus 90 is 91. 90 plus 80 is 171. Okay. Will you color it by seeing this? Okay. Now we will go for the next concept, that is comparing numbers. Okay. So now see here. Comparing means what? Checking whether one number is equal to the other number or greater than or equal to. Okay, so less than, greater than or equal to we are going to find out. And we are going to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay, let's see one by one. Compare the numbers using the symbols less than, greater than or equal to. I hope you all know what is less than, what is greater than or equal to. Okay, so always what will be there? See 7 and 8. I'll first show you for the smallest numbers. Okay, so what is there? 7 and 8 is given. Find out. 7 is smaller than 8 or greater than 8? 7 is always smaller than 8. So what some symbol will come here? Less than symbol. Why? Because see in this right side your big mouth. For example, big wherever your open end is there, there you will get the bigger number. In the closed end you will get the smaller number. Okay, see here. This is the closed end. This is the closed end. This is the open end. Okay, so you have to remember in that way. So 9 and 6. Which is the bigger number? 9. 9 is greater than 6. Wherever your open end is there, there the big number will be there. Smaller end, closed end is there, there the smaller number will be there. Now see the 2-digit numbers here. 87 and 78. So find out which is the biggest number. So which is the biggest number here? 80. Because see the first number here. So 2-digit number, see the first number which is in tens place, 8. Here the first number is tens place is 7. Okay, which is bigger, 7 or 8? 8 is bigger. So 87 is bigger than 78. So open end will come in 87. Closed end will come in 78. Okay. So next one, 17 and 74. Okay. So what? See the first tens number, tens place number 1. Here tens place number is 7. If you want, you can write ones tens also. Ones, and this is tens. This is in which place? Ones place. This is in tens place. By now you all are familiar with these places, no? Okay. So just compare the tens place number. If they are equal, only then you have to go to the ones place number. Okay. So now 1 and 7. Which is bigger here? 7 is bigger. So where the open end will come? Near 74. Near 17, closed end will come. That means which symbol will be used? Less than symbol. Okay, so next one you see, again we'll put the places ones, tens, hundreds. Here ones, tens, hundreds. Now see, both the hundreds place numbers are 3. So both are equal. Now see the tens place numbers. If tens place number are also equal, then only you have to go to the ones place number. See here we have tens place number 0 in 307. Here we have 7 in tens place. Which is bigger here? 7 is bigger. So which is the bigger number? 370 is bigger. There the open end will come. So what symbol will be used? Less than symbol. So 307 is less than 370. Okay, now see the next number, 975 and 579. So write the places of this number, hundreds, tens, ones. Here also hundreds, tens, ones. Now see the hundreds place numbers. See here we have 9 and here we have 5. Which is bigger? 9. So directly you can write the answer. So where the open end will come? Near 975. So which symbol is used? Greater than symbol. Okay. So now here 303 and 303. Both are, see 3 is in 100's place, 0 is in 10's place, 3 is in 1's place. All the numbers are equal. So what symbol will come? Equal to symbol. Next one is 587 and 875. So now see, write the places if you have doubt. Hundreds, tens, ones. Hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, so now you find out which is the biggest number here. 5 is in hundreds place, here 8 is in hundreds place. So by the first number only you can say 8 is the biggest number. So which number is biggest number? 875. So what you should write? 587 is less than 875. Okay, next number you see 965, 965. Both are equal. So you will write equal to. I'll give you one more example here. What is it? For example, 981, 985. So what should you do? Find, compare it now. Now you write the places of this number. Hundreds, tens, ones. Here also. Hundreds, tens, ones. Now compare it. Sorry. Okay. See, hundreds place number, both are same. Tens place number, both are same. Now you have to compare ones place number. So 1 is there here in the first number. You have 5 is there in the second number. So which is biggest? 5 is bigger. 1 is smaller. So 981 is smaller than 985. Okay, this way you have to write the compare and write the symbols. Next one is arranging the numbers. Arranging the numbers in ascending and descending order. Ascending is what? Ascending is smallest to biggest. What is that? Smallest to biggest. First you have to write the smallest number, second smallest number, third smallest, in that way. Okay, first we will do for the one digit number. It is one digit number, easy to find out which is the smallest number here. We have 0. Which is the next smallest number? 1. Next one is 2. Next one is 3. Next one is 5. Next one is 6. Easy to find out, right? Now see the next one. We have 2-digit numbers. 45, 85, 58, 62, 41, 52, 69. So now you have to compare it carefully. First see the first numbers. They are all in tens places, right? Because only tens and ones place numbers are given. Only 2-digit numbers are given. Now which is the smallest you have to find out. So which is smallest? 4, 5, 6. See the tens place numbers only. 4. Here we have 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now come, which is the smallest one? Starting with 4 is the smallest one. Take these two numbers, 45 and 41. So find out which is smallest. Both has same number in tens place. See the ones place numbers. We have 5 and 1. Which is the smallest number? 41 is the smallest number. That will be the first one. Which is the next smallest number? 45. Now see the other numbers now. 58, 62, 52, 69. Which is the smallest tens place number you see? 5. Now you have only two numbers which starts from 5. Only that you compare. 58 and 52. See the ones place number of 58 and 52. Which is the smallest one? 52. 2 is the smallest one place number. So this is the third number and this is the, always write the numbers on top if you have confusion. Now we have only two more numbers left with 62 and 69. Which is the smallest one? 62, 2 is in ones place, in 69, 9 is in ones place. Which is smaller? 2 is smaller. So next number will be 62. The next number will be 69. Now you know how to arrange it, right? Now you can write the answers over here. Write this 41, 45, then 52, then 58, then 62, then 69. It's the way you will arrange the numbers. Now let's come to the biggest numbers, 3-digit numbers. Now you find out the same way. See the first numbers, that is which is in hundreds place. 3, 5, 5, 4, 8. So which is the smallest here? 3. How many numbers are there with starting with 3? 2 numbers, 312 and 346. So see the tens place numbers in both the numbers. 1 you have, here 4 you have. Which is the smallest one then? This 312 is the smallest one. 346 will be the second smallest one. Now see the other numbers. 513, 548, 458. So which is the smallest one here? Starting from 4, that is in hundreds place, that is the next smallest number. 3. Now compare the other two numbers. Both are starting from 500. So you have to compare the tens place number now. 513 and 548. So we have 1 in tens place here. We have 4 in tens place here. So which is the smallest one? 513. Next one is 548 automatically. So already we wrote that. Same way you have to do the other two numbers also. Will you do that? So okay, anyway, I'll do one more also. Then you can do the other on your own. 905, 509, 609, 906, 405. Now tell me which is the smallest number. Easy to find out. 405, yes, because it has the smallest number in hundreds place. Is there any number starts with 400? No. Now other number you see, 500 we have. This is the number starts from 500, which is in the hundreds place. That's the second largest number. Which is the third largest number? 609. Now the other two numbers are starting in 9 in hundreds place. You cannot compare that. So next again tens place also we have 0 in both the numbers. Now you have to see only the ones place number. In 905, 5 is in ones place. In 906, 6 is in ones place. Which is the smallest one then? 905. 4. You will write. This is the fifth number. So you will write here answer like this. 405, comma, 509, comma, 609, comma, then 905, comma, then 906. So E1 you will do on your own. Okay children. Now let's see the descending order. Descending order is what? Biggest to smallest. Okay. So now we'll start with the one digit numbers. You can find out easily which is the biggest one digit number here. 8. Then which is the next biggest number? 7. Which is the next biggest number? 5. Which is the next biggest number? 4. Which is the next biggest number? 2. Then which is the next one? Now come to the two digit numbers here. Same here. Your biggest number, no? Yes. Which is the biggest number here? Find out 59, 68, 47, 54, 64. Which is the biggest number here? 64 and 68. We have two numbers starting with 64 and 68. 60 and 60. Okay, so which is the biggest? You have to see that one space number. 68, 8 is there in one space number. In 64, 1 is there in 4 is there in one space number. So which is the biggest one? 68. That you will write 4. 1. Here you will write 2. Now see the next numbers. Which is the next biggest number? 59, 54 is there. Both are starting from 5 in tens place. So which is in the ones place you see 9 is there here. We have 4 is there here. Which is the next biggest number? 59. That is the third biggest number. And 54 will be the fourth biggest number. Next the smallest number is 47. So you have to write this way. How will you write? 68, comma, 64, comma, 59, comma, 54, comma, 47. Okay. Now see the biggest number, that is the three digit numbers. Okay. So now we have 225, 555, 252, 655, 600. So 652. Now find out the biggest numbers. 255 smallest one, 555, 252, 655, 600. Which is the biggest one here? 600. So two numbers are there starting from 600. Now find out. So 6 is there here. Here also 6 is there in hundreds place. 5 is there in both the tens places. See the ones place numbers. We have 5 here and 2 here. Which is the biggest number? 655. Second biggest number? 652. Now find out the third biggest number. We have 225 and 252. 555. Which is the biggest number here? 500. So you should mark 555 as the third biggest number. Now you have to find out the other two numbers. 225 and 252. Both are starting from 200. So you have to compare the tens place number first. See the tens place number. We have 2 in 225. We have 5 in 252. So which will be the next biggest number? 252. Here 225. Understood? So which is the one? 655, 652, then 555, 252 and 225. Okay. Same way you can do the other numbers also. So now you see only D, E you will do on your own. Okay children. Now D1 you see. We have 684, 864, 486, 468, 846. Okay. So which is the biggest number here? We have, see the hundreds place number. 8 is the biggest number which is in hundreds place. We have two numbers starting from 800. One is 864, the other one is 846. Okay. So which is the biggest number? Compare the tens place number. 6 is there here and 4 is there here. Which is the biggest one? 864 first. Second one is 846. Third one will be what? These two numbers are starting from 400. This is 600. So which will be the third biggest number? This is the third biggest number. 684 will be the third biggest number. Next 486 and 468. Both as 400 in hundreds place. Now see the tens place number. 8 and 6. Which is the biggest? 486. 8 is the biggest number. So 406 will be the next biggest number. 468 will be the last number. So start and write here. 864, comma, 846, comma, third one is 684, comma, fourth one is 486, comma, fifth one is 468. Okay, see the last one, carefully you have to do, because all are starting from 800 only. You have to compare the ones place number, tens place number and ones place number and compare it and write. Will you do that? Hope you will do that. Now see the next question. Identify the pattern and write the next numbers. So already I have taught you about the patterns and all, no? So you have to first see the first set of numbers to find the pattern and complete the next set of numbers. Then you have to write. Okay, so now first number you see 140, 147, 154. Okay, it continues 161, 168. How? See, 140 plus 7 is 147. 147 plus 7 is 154. 154 plus 7 is 161. 161 plus 7 is 160. So how what they did? Actually, they are adding 7 7 in each. Okay, see the second question. 510, 505, 500. What they are doing? They are coming backward counting. How many numbers backward? 5 5. 510 minus 5, 505. 505 minus 5, 500. 500 minus 5. What will come? 495. 495 plus minus 5, 490. 490 minus 5, 485. This way you have to continue. Next number you see 812, 816, 820. What they did actually? They are doing forward. They are going forward. How many numbers forward? Plus 4. Here they are doing minus 5. Here they have done plus 7 in each. Plus 7. You should know all these things. Okay. So now see the next one. Write all the numbers between. You're going to write all the numbers in between these numbers. See the second question. I have given you the clue. 899 to 910. So numbers in between means you have to start from the next number. So 899, next number will be 900, then 901, 902, 903, 904, 905, 906, 907, 908, 909. You should not write 910. You should write only the numbers in between. You should not write the starting number and the last number. Okay, will you do the other two? Okay, children? Okay, next class I will give you the worksheets based on the first chapter and the second chapter. By this your chapter gets completed. Second chapter gets completed. Okay, children? We'll meet in the next class with the worksheets. Thank you. Take care.